Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into account. Microsoft. Com with the exact Microsoft account that pays for Game Pass. Once signed in, go straight to Services and Subscriptions to locate the Xbox Game Pass entry and note the renewal date. This tells you whether you'll retain access until that date after cancellation. Make sure you have your payment method or Xbox nearby for verification. This step avoids accidentally canceling the wrong account and prepares you to take the next action confidently. Now, click Manage beside your Game Pass listing and choose Cancel or turn off recurring billing. This stops future charges. Follow the on-screen prompts and respond to confirmation or retention offers. Those offers don't change the cancellation, but can give discounts if you reconsider. If you prefer using the console, go to Settings, Account, then Subscriptions and cancel there. Consoles may show different wording. Make sure to read the confirmation details so you know when access will end and whether any prorated refunds apply. Finish by checking your email for a cancellation confirmation and revisit Services and Subscriptions to verify the status changed. You'll typically keep access until the end of the paid period. Refunds depend on your region and timing, so request one only if eligible. If cancellation fails, try a different browser or device, confirm you're using the subscription owner's account, and check family/group sharing settings. If problems persist, contact Microsoft support with your account info and confirmation attempts. They can.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.